Assalamu alaikum. Today is 6th May, and by the way, something interesting to note is that interest rate is coming out this week. I will quickly narrate the important news. SPY has opened lower, and AMD earnings come out today. We are going to look for a stock to trade, nonetheless. And one thing that's super important is HKMA, Hong Kong Monetary something, has decided to shift its investments away from USA, which is very interesting because it shows that international demand for US treasuries, which can tighten financial conditions and weigh on equities. So we are clearly seeing its effect with SPY opening lower. I I can quickly show it to you here. So SPY is trading at 559, where the previous close was 563. You can see it on the top right chart, the small chart. I'm there. Tariff development, Trump might target pharmaceuticals and domestic production. The pharmaceutical companies might be next. Earnings watch AMD comes out with pressure stemming from the European stock market is slightly lower with pressure coming in from Germany and HKMA's treasury announcement. I mean, sorry, it will not be investing in US treasury. Interesting. Very, very interesting. Settings, text 12. Why is it so big? Why it's so freaking big? Nice. And I mean, yeah, that was pretty much the only important news. Moving on to the pre market movers. Google Dash PLTR Ford HIMS VRTX NKE CEG. We're going to go through all of them. Oh, it should open a new Brave window, huh? Let's go to Finviz as usual. Let's take it's the first thing I'll look at is ATR. ATR is 8.65, nice. PLTR I think is haram. F has bad ATR, I think. F has an ATR of 0.34, will not be trading Ford. HIMS ATR of 3.67, we will not be trading HIMS. VRTX. Oh, but HIMS has my most favorite. Next forward guidance light. ATR 13.52. Interesting. VRTX top and bottom line missed. So let's see. And NKE I know has low this thing. First, let's see the spread on ATR 12. Okay, all of them are good. Let's see the spread on each of them. We will look at that in the SPY chart. CEG has a spread of 2.6. Not bad. Oh, nice, nice companies we have today. VRTX is slightly expensive as well. CEG, the price is 248. I like that. HIMS is 41. Wow. HIMS is. HIMS might be a money maker today. Okay, let's quickly work on HIMS. HIMS, the ATR is 3.67. No, sorry. But, and the spread is too much as well, right? Yeah. The spread is too much for $3 move. VRTX might be the better VRTX and CEG and Dash. VRTX is too expensive. Dash. Hmm. Dash has very high spread though. Dash has very high spread. I think then CEG is our best bet. CG is consistently maintaining low spread. 26, I think. Let's look at let's look at Mhm. Let's look at Dash. Do we have Dash data? Yes, we have Dash. Do we have CEG? We have CEG. So let's go with Dash for now. Actually, I need to pee and come. I'll pee and come real quick. Okay, I'm back. I'm sorry. Yeah. So our our best guess would be that Dash is the best way to go. Okay. Anyway, sorry. That was the first. I also need to check if these are halal or not. So let's begin with Zoya. Let's check. Zoya, please leave. Dash. Dash is halal VRTX. Too expensive for my taste, but let's check. Okay, not halal. Acha, it's pharmaceutical. Nice. Would have been very good trade. Hims is halal. And CEG is Constellation Energy Corporation. Halal. Okay. Compliant. Sharia compliant. So CEG, HIMS, and Dash. It's amongst these three. Google, I think, is questionable. Google is also not halal. Google is also in the news because somebody hates Google and doing. Yeah, Google is questionable. So let's not trade Google. Dash, HIMS, and CEG. Okay, let's go to the 1 day chart. This is Go Charting, by the way, the name of the software. If anyone is interested or cares. Dash, right below very important resistance that will not break whatsoever. So Dash is at a very interesting position. CEG is not trading pre-market. I don't think so. It only says C. Let's check HIMS. Are they not trading pre-market? Or I don't know how to open pre-market in this. Let's just check here. CEG, it's. I think it's not trading pre-market. More settings. Yeah, I don't think it trades pre-market. I think then Dash is the best option. CEG and HIMS, right? HIMS was the other one. I think HIMS might be. HIMS is also not trading. Hmm. So Dash. Dash it is. Dash 8.484 cents and Dash. Dash, dash, dash. Run. Dash, dash, dash. Run. Interesting 191 level. Hmm. Anyway, 1 day is telling that the volume drops here at 196 or maybe at 200 is. I need SR channel. I don't think there'll be SR channel on this thing. Okay, let's do 1 day. Let's, yeah, SR support resistance channels. So brother is suggesting SR channels at the lower levels. What if I reduce the time? Okay. Suggesting support resistance maybe at 200 level. Where would that be? 200. Yeah, I'm seeing a lot of peaks there. This is suggesting a level of 197. Hmm. The lowest I think can expect this to go is 191. Uh, 5. आए हो मेरी जिंदगी में तुम और बन के. Hmm. Okay, so Dash currently is trading session extended trading hours. Dash is trading very smooth. Dash recovered in the pre-market for some reason. Hmm. Where do I go with this, or what should I consider important? Okay, let's look at Dash on the lower time frames. Let's look at Dash. Let's look at Dash on 1 hour. What is this suggesting? Oh, we need a lot more data. We can cancel this and focus on this. Okay. What is this suggesting? This is suggesting that a lot of volume was done at 182. Right now it's trading here. There is a, yeah, there is a major price spike at 197. Oh no, there is buy volume spike. Regardless, this 197 important, 197 level, and then 200 is even more important because a lot of pivots as well at this level. So we'll mark 197 as Alt X in this. Alt X. Alt X. Shape. Wall drops here, right? And actually, this is the only. How much confidence? I should 100%, 80%. I'm not seeing enough confluences to make me feel. Okay, this level was what the 1 day suggested as well. Even the 1 day was going crazy for this level. The one something, it was a value area high, right? So 197 is where I'm seeing the price spikes, and I'll mark 197 as important. One day value area high. Okay, just 1 hour. 1 hour volume. I don't know if this is bid or if this is bid, but 1 hour volume spike plus 1 day value area high. So I'm determining 197 and 200 to be the important levels for, you know. The next important level is where it's trading 195. Alt X. The next important level is here. 195 is important as well, where it found, okay, it found support at 186. So we can expect movement till like 193 and all of that. So we can expect a bounce off of 193. Right. Volume spike. How much confidence on this level? 70%. Hmm. You're saying bounces off of this level as well. So this level surely is important. I think let's go to the 5 minute pre-market and see how the stock has behaved. How do you see pre-market? Don't tell me you can't see pre-market on this thing. That would be very weird. ETH. Show regular trading hours. I would have liked that. Anyway, taking too much. Just ignoring the. Okay, today a lot of volume has been done at what level? A lot of volume has been done at 194. 195 is where I'm expecting the price to turn around. Why? Because it's. Didn't I write? I wrote, I think. Didn't I write? Um, volume spike. It is important. Now, what the price will do around it or what the stock will do around it, I don't know. But it is important. This level, how important is it? It has some importance. Right, so let's go with 50%. It has some importance here. This price is holding up. This is the pre-market lowest. What did it do? Okay, alt edge goes to hourly, huh? I do not know. Pre-market lowest is maybe 190. Pre-lowest 50%. 50% because I'm seeing huge spikes of this level. Price opened at 203. We can expect a bounce off of 199. So this is what I would consider a seller zone, 197 to 200. I'm going to be paying attention to what's happening here. And mm, did I draw two lines or what? What line is this? Oh, it's a value area low. Okay. Oh, was it my pointer? Don't tell me it was my pointer. All the lines are gray. Anyway, so these are all the important levels. Let's go back to regular trading hours. Let me close volume profile. Let me zoom out a bit. The important levels today are from 190 to 200. right? Um, I feel slightly confused. Not confused, but scared. I feel like a pussy. Today, the temperature in Bahrain, the highest is 28, low is 27. It was actually cold outside. Not cold, but it was pretty pleasant when I was walking out. Mm, this graph doesn't feel very familiar to me, so it just feels very like, ugh. Like, I wish I could do it on TradingView, but TradingView gives me all wrong values, so TradingView. Where is the 1 day EMA? Let's look at the graph once again for, peace of mind. So on the 1 hour graph, we are saying that the volume drops here. Any move in this area should be very clean, is what the 1 hour is suggesting. And 197 is where, again, the volume drops in this area and then picks up after 200. From 197 to 200, there's a gap. And we see that gap logic being maintained. I think as soon as the earnings came out, the price just dropped. Everybody was like, bro, let's get out of here, bro. Let's sell. So that happened, and the price never recovered. I think, you know, like these price movements are so important. I cannot even explain how much. I think there was bunch of stops being triggered at different levels from here to here. So, if anything, this is the level that we should be paying attention to. If we go look at imbalance, oh my god, why didn't anyone tell me that it's not supported on Dash? I'll have to go back to trading view. No, bro, I can't. Mm. Cluster charts not supported on CEG as well, I suppose. No, it is, it is. It is supported on CEG. It's just that the movement on CEG is so bad they don't know what to show. Okay, do I move from Dash or not? Let's look at the 1 day of CEG. CEG candlestick. Where is CEG right now? Why is it not showing me the pre-market then? CEG right now is at. CEG doesn't open in the post market. Okay, no, it is open in the pre-market. CEG is actually recovering. Do I trade Dash or do I trade CEG? Now I'm very confused. The plan for Dash feels very solid. Okay. Here's CEG 246. So very close to yesterday's close. Worth trading or not? CEG has a spread of $2. Something Dash doesn't have. I guess we'll have to trade on TradingView. Ah, fine. Let's trade on TradingView. What are the important levels? Why does it feel like Go charting is less pixels, right? Feels like Go. Why does the chart feel so blurred on Go charting? I don't know. Um, okay, let's get rid of volume profile. Let's switch to 1 day. Where are the lines I drew? I'll go crazy, I swear. Oh, leave. I'll close this then. I don't know what OBS is showing right now. OBS is only showing the left. I won't be able to see what trades I'm placing. Anyway, I'll still record. The most important level is 197, and the next important is 200. I'll just write the confidence on each level. 197 is stronger confidence than 200. Oh no, yeah, it is there. Tables. This is the. Acha, this 100% level. $195 1 hour volume spike. I'm seeing 196 act as important here. Mhm. Let's switch to 194. Let's only mark 194 as important. Volume spike 70% and 190 is and H pre-market lowest 50%. Okay. Dash dash. Let's sync all of these globally. God knows what kind of data these guys will give. And let's open. Let's log in with capital.com here. 0455. Okay, we are in. Ah man, I had the entire setup ready for today. But I guess we are those unlucky settings. Mm, auto, let's leave it auto. What are you showing my attitude for? Why has the internet decided to die now? Market opens now, bro. It's actually dying. It's not even like lying or faking it. I can click here, RTH. Oh, Alt Shift E. Alt Shift. Okay, let's see what happens. Dash Nasdaq. Okay, should I pause for 2 minutes or let's settle 10? Let's see what happens today, man. I want to get a good trade. I want to be a good trader. Trader, trader. Hmm. God. Market opens any time now. I can't see how many seconds. Okay, 30 seconds. I suddenly need to pee again. I don't think I can make it back. If I, why was I drinking water? I don't know. Anyway, um, looking forward to 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Big sale orders. The opening saw big sale orders. So 194, no, 197 was my 100% level. I'll see how it behaves. We saw selling and buying, so this is naturally one of our value areas. 194 for sure. Equal level of buying and selling. Delta is net negative right now. Let's wait, let's wait. Some buying, some selling, a mixture of both in the time and sales. Yeah, value area is this. Hmm. We saw recovery. The spread is very high. The spread is really, really bad. Okay, we're seeing buying, which is surprising to me. Price was short down. Very, very surprising. I will not lie. I will not make any moves either. A random weird number like this means institutional moves. 5106 in the middle of 500 and 300. Where would be the next value area? The next POC was in this range above 194. So we can take a long till 197 at least. 199 or wasn't it 197? I need to confirm. Dash 190. It says it's below the volume spike. 197 was the important level. So, okay, we saw good equal level of buying and selling at this price in the 194.64 to 195 area, in which sellers were aggressive. Sellers were aggressive, the price was pushed down. Did a fake breakout? Mm, mm, could have entered. I don't know why I didn't enter. Very beautiful move till 190. We see it hit the pre-market lowest. Who was absorbed in this move? Nobody was absorbed. Sellers were aggressive. I was too scared to enter. I don't know why. 14,818. Sorry, 14,800. Yeah, 818. I feel like a lot of these values are just wrong. What is this? Trading was just making up data, I think. It is going to a. Okay, it failed. Wow, I missed. It failed to make its way up till there. Oh, that's okay. I don't know why I didn't take the short again. I took the short, nigga. It moved $2. What is it doing right now? Huge sale order. Price is recovering. Nah, man. I wanted. Oh, only if I was in the right window, bro. It's such a beautiful shot. 60 I could have made at least. But I guess I'll never know how much I would have made. The fact that it failed to make its way back till 192 is. Yeah, keep falling, man. Keep falling very nicely. Don't give me any chance. 94 to 88. I think it even moved its entire move. Didn't get the chance to. 187, man. Ah, I did not mark any level below 190 because I didn't think it was important. Now, if I take any trade, that would just be bad trading. Plus, I'm seeing buyers in the time and sales window. And close the session here. This was supposed to be my, you know, this was supposed to be my trade, and I would think I would have exited here. I would have entered here 191 and exit at 87 maybe. How many dollars? 20 stocks into $4, man. Ah, okay, anyway, ma salama.